I just got the hOmeLabs Dehumidifier as we need a dehumidifier for our basement. And I am going to be using its continuous drain on the back. This is not a pump drain, this is a gravity drain. But when you open it up, you can add a hose to it. So I got the hOmeLabs hose specifically designed for this, and I'm going to be running this hose into a condensation pump we already have in our basement. So that'll take care of the water for me and make it so I never have to manually empty the water from this. Now it's very straightforward. It really is just a nice long rubber tube. That's it. That's all that's on this side, which is exactly what I want to see because that's going to fit into one of the holes in my condensation pump I already have. And then this side right here just hooks right on. And that's it. I love that I can still spin this and move it around, but it's not coming off here. It has a hinge, which is really nice. And it's ready to go. So now I can hook this into my basement and I will be ready to go. So I definitely recommend getting this hose if you're getting the hOmeLabs dehumidifier, as it's designed for it. It shouldn't leak, there shouldn't be any issues, and it'll go straight into a condensator pump or to a drain wherever you want this to run.